Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adriana, and for today's video, we're going to be doing a unboxing I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I usually do the smoke with me unboxings, but I'm actually inside doing it because I didn't feel like doing it outside, so I smoked beforehand. I'm gonna put a little clip in. It's kind of cold, so I don't want to stay out there, but that's okay. I did a decent amount of hits, and I'm ready to open this. I'm not going to look at the card until last. I'm excited to see what this month's box is. The first item is, I've never tried Luxie brushes. They're one of the main reasons why I got the Boxycharm, because I heard by many YouTubers that these brushes are really good, and my sister has them too, so she says they're really good. These are the premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. They're cruelty-free. It's like a sparkly gold brush. Yeah, they're really pretty. I have a flat angled brush, which is this one right here, a mini round brush, which is right here, and this is a mini tapered brush, and then lastly is a mini angled brush. The next product is, I'm so glad I got this because I've always wanted to try these, but I didn't want to spend like, what, 42 bucks on it. I've seen these at like TJ Maxx or Marshall's, but sometimes I feel like their makeup is a little old, so I'm like, I get hesitant to buy it. A lot of the times too, like the packaging is kind of like played around with, and I'm not about to put that on my face if I know people have like played with it. This is in the shade Nova, and these are the Cover FX glitter drops. It's like a gold glitter, but it also has like these yellows and green tints to it. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it's really nice. It blends really nice, but it does blend just kind of glittery, so I wonder how. Let me try this on top. If it's not meant to be put over powder and it like fucks it up, I'm not gonna judge it from that. I guess I'll just use one of these Luxie brushes. I'm gonna use the mini tapered brush. I'm not mad at it. It looks really nice. And the next item, I don't know if I should pick up the palette, which I'm assuming is a palette, or if I should pick up the next thing. I'm just gonna pick up the palette. This is the Ace Beauty. What the fuck is this? Grandoise? I think Grandoise palette. I'm pretty sure I'm saying this wrong. Ooh, that's really pretty. This kind of reminds me of the Jaclyn Hill palette that I have. The like mini palettes that she came out with. I think it's called like Septive Sun or something like that. I can't remember. And I have no idea where it's at. I wanted to use it for this look, but I couldn't find the freaking palette. But these colors are very pretty. Yeah, I'm fucking digging this. I should probably swatch this. Okay. I don't know how good I am at swatching. So here are the 4 shades, and then plus this one. I suck. I'm still digging those colors. Like I can't wait to try those. The next product is, so it's called Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. Ooh, this is like a decent amount. You get 2 fluid ounces. Maybe I should test it out. So I'm gonna spray this, and I guess I'll just try it on this. It is taking a while for the color to fade out. I will say that I like how it doesn't leave that oily residue that some cleansers leave. because I kind of don't like that. I feel like it kind of messes up your makeup look when you use those. My last product is Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This is in color black, so I'm guessing it's just like a black glitter liner. It's pretty much a black glitter liner. I mean, it's not bad, it's cute. I just don't know if I would use this. I feel like I've bought something like this before and I never used it. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this month's box. I would say the eyeliner was like my least favorite, but I'm willing to give that a try. I'm definitely excited to see what next month's is because I feel like they're kind of on a roll. The first one I think was alright, or it was like one of the boxes that I had out of all of them were like okay. And let me know what kind of style unboxing videos you like. I've done like 3 different types of unboxing videos. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye.